Guys, so today we install the Auxbeam multicolor light on Tacoma. That's my brother's pickup truck. So same thing we did is the license plate mount, and then we mounted this bar. For this one we passed the wire from here, and it is coming from the grill from here, and all rest is kept here. The red one is being given here, the earth one is here, and for this we have a switch, so switch is being passed from this wall. If you guys can see, I don't know, here, and the switch is inside. So my brother will play the switch and I will show you in the front how it works. So here you go. So he will turn on the lights and show the different modes on this one. So this is white, pure white. This is orange, this is white and orange both together. This one is not nice, it hurts the eyes, but this is flashing white and this is flashing orange, and this one is flashing white and orange. So this is the video for the light bar on Tacoma. If you guys did like it, do subscribe the channel and like and share the video.